Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5, and is priced below $45,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, rear step bumper, braking assist, power brakes, rear view camera, audio radio, touch screen display. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.